Also today we're using multiple audios. One of my audios is the Saramonic K9 recording 32-bit float with their very nice lavalier mic, which is very small. Also we have a new system that I've been using on my iPhone, Saramonic Air, the iPhone 17 Pro Max with a Freewell 1 to 5 ND filter and case. Also, we'll talk about a Z-Tech or Zyke 2 terabyte hard drive with the Saramonic Air, so we'll pop that in. This is my mobile setup. Case, ND filter, hard drive, and this, and the new app that I'm trying out, where it's going to be able to utilize the Atomos Blue Timecode, which is synced up with the camera on my right, Timecode. So you can have Timecode to the new camera app that I'll do a little demo for. This app allows you to record in Apple Log 2, which is now recording to the 2 terabyte Zyke, Z-I-K-E hard drive. And we also have wireless audio from the Saramonic Air. Is currently the smallest wireless 2.4 megahertz wireless system that can receive a lavalier mic. So this is for the iPhone. And for my cameras, Sony cameras, I'm able to use the Saramonic Ultra going into the hot shoe of the FX3 or any other Sony camera that can receive that connection. There's a whole list, but this is the Saramonic Ultra 2.4 wireless recording 32-bit float on board and sending audio to the Sony FX3, which is pretty cool. This is my custom-made mic flag by brandedmics.com in Germany. I have my logo on it. And what I do at trade shows is I put on the trade show's logo onto it too. So NAB changed their logo, so I have to update this for the 2026 show. So this in my hand is the Freewell case. It's well known having an ND filter allows you to be more creative with your iPhone footage. So the cool thing is it has a magnet. So you hit it click and the ND. I think it's a 1:4, which I'll have pop up. And you can see how it gets the Shogun Ultra to be dark. This is the setup I'm using. And the cool thing is this system is not a normal way of using a PTZ camera, which I was informed, but I think it's the coolest way that you can do cool things, such as on this controller, you can set your home, hit home, and it goes right to the location you want to showcase, which for the video was this new exchange by Manfrotto. So I'm trying to demonstrate that you don't need to be locked in on an on-site location or boardroom or church or any other things like that with a PTZ camera. I think PTZ cameras can be used in different ways. So this is audio coming from the Saramonic Air going through the USB-C on the bottom of the ZIKE 2 terabyte, producing audio which I can see on this new camera app, which the coolest thing is timecode to the Shogun Ultra. So that's pretty cool. So I have this as the timecode generator, and on the Shogun is receiving the timecode, which I can see that they're matched up. So small way of doing professional iPhone. We are capturing in Apple Log 2 to the Zyke 2 terabyte. Audio is going via the Saramonic Air. So Walter Van Dusen just showing at the end of the year. My branded mic by brandedmics.com. I'll be using this system or something new, which I heard is coming out in 2026. So if you're at NAB, I'll be rolling around the show with my Studio Titan America scissor stand, which you've seen at a couple shows in 2025, Build Expo and the Pro Fusion Expo. So, and also I had it at NAB 2025, but that was not the version that I'll be having in 2026. So Walter Van Dusen, just having fun with new systems. Audio is important, which I had to take a big learning curve. Saramonic K9 outside USA can record onboard 32-bit float and transmit, but in USA you can only do one or the other, so I need 32-bit float. So this is a 32-bit float that can also do timecode. So I do use this at trade shows because all my cameras have timecode. The Ultra comes in a box which has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, keeps it charged. That is being used on my little mic down there going into the Sony FX3. This is the Ultra. This has a battery that keeps everything charged. The Saramonic Air also has the charger, 32-bit float, and the coolest thing in the world for me at the moment is having the ability to have a PDZ camera on location, which I'm at my in-laws in mid-state New York, to do unboxing videos. So this is a untraditional way of using a PDZ camera, which I'm trying to emphasize. We're going to do a comparison between FX3, S-Log3, S-Log3 Cine, compared to the Sony sensor on my right and the Atomos PTZ camera on my right called, which I have pop up. I have them pretty much at the same height. I have little monopods, not monopods, little tri-legs holding it on TV tray. And I do have the Shogun Ultra recording the video from the Atomos PTZ camera. So good to have an Atomos. Both, I can see both cameras because on the PTZ we have the Shogun and on the FX3 we have the Shinobi 2. All right, so it's Walter Van Dusen, mid-state New York. In December, we're about to have a big snowstorm.